Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase inventory turnover with Zappos step by step clearly. To increase inventory turnover with Zappos, begin by analyzing current inventory levels. Assess the sales velocity of each product category. Identify slow-moving items that may be affecting overall turnover rates. Implement a demand forecasting system to predict future sales trends accurately. Utilize data analytics tools to track customer preferences and buying patterns. Streamline your product offerings by focusing on best sellers. Consider using a just-in-time inventory system to reduce excess stock. Collaborate with suppliers to improve lead time and responsiveness. Enhance your online presence with engaging product descriptions and high-quality images. Promote seasonal sales or flash sales to create urgency among customers. Utilize customer reviews and feedback to build trust and encourage purchases. Leverage social media marketing to reach a broader audience. Offer free shipping options to incentivize larger purchases. Create loyalty programs that reward repeat customers. Regularly review and adjust your pricing strategy based on market trends. Optimize your fulfillment processes to speed up order delivery times. Monitor key performance indicators related to inventory turnover regularly. Adapt your strategies based on performance data and industry changes. By following these steps, you can effectively increase inventory turnover with Zappos. This approach not only boosts sales but also enhances customer satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.